Hey Tube, this here I did it. NickTube fans, he commented first. He wanted to see a light kit on this thing, so here we go. And Ceiling Fan Man 96 also commented that I should put a light kit on this thing. So, and I think it looks pretty good. It really makes the blade shine. So we'll turn this thing on. Start from high like always. Turn that light off so you can see the fan. But I think it looks really nice with that globe on. The fan still wobbles, but yeah, that's the whole reason the lady gave me the fan, because it wobbled too bad and she didn't want it in her house. She was afraid it was gonna fall. So she told me to come take the fan down, and I took the fan down. Oh. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let me stop it. Stop the fan so you can see. That looks pretty nice. So yeah, bye.